Hi, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am sitting down with the Wittens. We just finished a crawl space encapsulation for them and wanted to get a video testimonial about their actual experience. So, Mr. Witten, Mrs. Witten, can you kind of tell me what it was like during the estimating process?
I had no problems at all, and you come out and give us an estimation on the job, and
How did you hear about us?
I saw it on Facebook.
Yeah, we had it on Facebook.
And I kept looking at it, and I showed it to him.
Did the quality of our work on Facebook
Well, it
look really
impressed
good?
us. Really impressed us. Yeah.
Great. Well, now that you've had your crawl space done, does it actually look like what you saw in those videos on Facebook?
Yes, most definitely.
I think it looks even better.
Yeah.
Even better.
Even better.
Yeah.
That's
I
great.
mean, I knew what my crawl space looked like before we started, before you finished, and it's not the same place. It's not the same place.
That's fantastic. And we just checked out your humidity, which, if you guys watch our videos, should always be below 60%. What is your humidity now that it's been a couple weeks?
Well, today, or since yesterday, it's 39%.
39%.
Right. So it never gets anywhere close to that. And
In fact, it was warmer under the house than it was.
inside the house.
Yeah.
That's great. And what was it like dealing with our technicians?
Oh, they were fantastic. They really were. You know, Melvin explained what he was doing, and if I asked him anything, he would tell me, you know.
Great. And he updated you guys every day?
Every day,
before they left?
every day they cleaned up after themselves. There was nothing in the yard, you know. I mean, they took all the trash with them. It was, they're the best I've ever seen. Had it.
Well, thank you. And you were in the service, so
Yeah.
so yeah, you know what it means to have things clean and
Right,
organized and
right.
straight. Absolutely.
They use the words of the service. They police their area every day before they left.
Yes.
Policing means you pick up all the trash and, and keep it clean. So they did a fantastic job.
And they arrived on time. When when he got ready to leave, he says, "Well, I'll see you about between 7:30 and 8." And we said, "Okay."
Great. And if your friends or neighbors ever need to have this done, you would highly recommend
Yes.
HydroHero?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And first off, you'd be the first one I'd have them call. You really would. You know, our neighbor had it done by another company, and you're head and shoulders above. I'll not mention the company or anything.
Yeah.
You know, but she had a few problems with them. I mean, they took care of it, but we've not had a minute's problem with this, with you or your helper or your workers or anything. You know, it was a pleasure doing business with you.
Awesome. All right. Thank you guys very much. And that's all we have. If you guys are thinking about having your crawl space encapsulator, you need basement waterproofing, or you have mold issues, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com.